Wolver here. 6 minutes, zero coding, $5,000 a day. From your couch. Not a lecture, not a course, a live execution. Want the shortcut? Telegram link is waiting. I sell the system that prints $5,000 days. Hit me. You know the loop? Refresh, chase, watch green turn red. Trust a dev. Get burned. Repeat. Burn the loop. I'm Wolver. You came here to find pumps. I'm teaching you to be the source. We're minting a real token right now. No code, no degree. Browser, wallet, 6 minutes. Autopilot version, Telegram. I hand you the contract. You collect the cash. Let's move. Step 1. Open the war room. Type this. remix.ethereum.org. Same terminal the pros use. Looks chaotic. Feels like a cockpit. I'm handing you the throttle. Most people nope out here. That's my Telegram queue. Link below. I do the hard part. Left side, File Explorer. Create new file. Blank page. This is where money gets written into existence. Name it. Forever. On-chain. Or don't. Telegram me a name. I deploy it. You keep every dollar. Type. Apex.sol or yours. Hit enter. Sol, Solidity. You just stopped spectating. You're building. Typing feels like work. Telegram. Link. Go. Step 2. The Forge. Find the S icon. Solidity compiler. This is where rookies burn gas. Look up. Compiler version. Hundreds wasted on this mistake. My Telegram guys skipped the tuition. Join them. Version must match your contract. 0.8.20. Stable. Ready. Compile apex.sol. Click. Still typing. Telegram is 3 clicks. I do this while you read. Green check mark. Your idea just became bytecode. The network sees you. Or I hand you a live contract with $5,000 per day volume. Telegram. Link. Now. Step 3. No return. Deploy and run transactions. Click. Environment. Injected provider. MetaMask. Connect. 5 steps deep. No message. What are you waiting for? Telegram is the express lane. Wallet linked. You're hot. 4 inputs. The DNA of your token. 1. Name. Sovereign. Vanguard. Something heavy. 2. Symbol. $SOV. Dollar. APEX. Battle flag. 3 letters. Memorable. 3. Supply. Your central bank. 1 million. 1 billion. You decide scarcity. 4. Decimals. 18. Standard. Lock it. See the traps? That's why I sell templates. Telegram. Fast. Hard stop. Read this. Blockchain is a predator. 1 wrong character, 1 missing gate, public exploit. Funds gone, forever. This is my business. I sell armor. I sell contracts that survive the war. Telegram, link, below. Solo builders die here. You are not auditing your own code. That means you are gambling. The house always wins. I sell pre-audited, battle-hardened templates. Front-run proof, reentrancy proof, exploit proof. You want armor? Message me. Wolver, secure me. Link in description. Seriously, stop scrolling. Telegram, 1 message. Deployed before this video ends. Step 4, ignition. Wallet ready, compiler set, contract selected. Check gas. ETH, BNB, Matic. You need fuel. Or I handle deployment. You never touch gas. Telegram, open, waiting. Green light, deploy. MetaMask, gas estimate, total. This is the wall. Consumers hesitate. Builders click. Confirm. Hash appears. 15 seconds. Your token is live, permanent, public, unstoppable. You are not a trader. You are an issuer. Used my template. You're already $5,000 green. Telegram. Now. Step 5. Claim. Deployed contracts. 0x, string, copy. MetaMask, assets. Import tokens, paste. Auto-populated, add, confirm. Still DIY? I could have had you at $5,000 per day last week. Telegram, hit me. Look at your wallet. Your ticker, your supply, your name. You created value from 0. Beautiful. Now imagine that balance moving $5,000 daily. That's my product. Telegram. Link. Let's talk. Here's what nobody says. A token with no pool is a dead file. A token with no tribe is a ghost. A token with no strategy is code litter. Deploying is phase 1. Easy part. Phase 2 is tribe. Phase 2 is liquidity that holds. Phase 2 is launch mechanics that kill bots and reward believers. Phase 2 is narrative, making people want your flag. This is my Telegram. I don't sell contracts. I sell the $5,000 per day machine. Link is waiting. 95% of projects crater here. Contract live. Chart empty. No next move. I provide the full stack: liquidity blueprint, volume engine, entry strategy, the exact sequence that took projects from 0 to 6 figures daily. My DMs have people doing $5,000 to $10,000 per day right now. You're still reading. Click the link. Done spectating? Ready to build something that actually moves? Telegram. Description. One message. Wolver, I'm ready. I handle everything. You collect. You crossed. 6 minutes ago, you were chasing charts, begging for signals. Now you own a contract address. You are the signal. Tools are public. Method is mine. Yours now, or I run it for you. Telegram open. Video hit you? 1. Smash like. Algorithm here's blueprint. 2. Subscribe. No motivation. Only execution. 3. Comment your project name. I read every one. I mentor winners. 4. You knew this was coming. Scroll. Telegram. Send deploy. I'll have you at $5,000 per day before this video ends. Your move. Door open. Forge lit. Build. Or let me build for you. Telegram. Link. Go.